In this video, I'll explain how to use the PEB base plate component. Here it is a sample PEB member. We can see the PEB member properties here. Depth of 400 mm and 800 mm like that, and we can see here the flange thickness and web thickness. So it's a sample PEB member. So now I'm going to explain the PEB base plate component. See, as per the structural design, my design requirement is to have the 19 mm here, so you can see here 19 mm, and base plate length of is about 450 mm, so you can see the 450 mm like that, and I have the bolt diameter of 20 mm and bolt standard tolerance cut length, and like this we can give the bolt spacing. So you can choose as per the requirement. So as per the requirement we can choose the bolt spacing. So either you can change it to, for example, either you can change it to 200 like that, so you can see the changes. So as per my standard it is 100 mm, so I just have the modification. So in this way we can change the bolt spacing, and here it is the end plate. So you can see the width of have width about 275 mm and base plate thickness of 16 mm, and it's a material of IS2062. So you see we can have different stiffness, for example, so as per the requirement you can either go for this triangular or you can go for this, and so as per my design requirement it is I go for this property, and you can see width of 130 mm and length of 250 mm. So as per some standards they'll say height must be of 2 times or 2.5 times, so I just go for 250 mm. So in this way, so special stiffness as per the requirement. For example, if you want any special stiffness, see, either you can go for this. You can see here how it just changes if we get special stiffness. So I think it's not required, mostly it is not used. So in this way you can use the PEB base plate component in Tekla structures.